So far, this country has the world's highest tally of monkeypox cases. Although the cases are still rising nationally, the speed of the outbreak appears to be slowing, according to the CDC. U.S. officials said additional monkeypox vaccines could be made available to the public as soon as September. The Joe Biden administration has been facing criticism in its response to the monkeypox outbreak. News portal The Hill said that we should have been able to contain monkeypox. It was detected early and already had tests, a safe vaccine, and an effective treatment. However, the public health system is chronically underfunded, often lacking even basic supplies like testing swabs and syringes. It's also depleted by 2+ years of the COVID-19 pandemic and finally failed this most basic test, the report noted.